Hello, it's me, Maria, Deep Fried Honey. I don't know. My name is Maria. Hi guys. I just wanted to do like a quick little intro video to kind of tell you what you can expect. Instagram's not going anywhere. DeepFriedHoney.com's not going anywhere. There are some things that folks have been requesting, and there's some things that I've wanted to do, namely stuff that puts me more in front of the camera, like now here in this kind of private little gated community that I've created. Those who want it can get it. Live streams, cooking classes, big ass group chat for us to just shoot the shit in and for you to get your questions answered and for us to brainstorm together. It's truly going to be a community much more than Instagram is or was ever intended to be. There will be exclusive stuff here only for patrons. You won't find any mukbangs and shit though. I just want you to know there will be no eating. Well, I'm a liar. My husband has some really great reaction sometimes to like the first bite or whatever. You guys might like that. We gonna be hanging out a whole lot. I'm excited about this new endeavor and how much closer it's gonna bring me to you guys. So we'll see how it goes.